Hi guys, it's Kaylee Hoffman here with another edition of our Pick of the Week. Today I'll be showing you this gorgeous 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali, where we would go over all the features that make this one of the hottest trucks at our store. This truck is a pristine, one-owner, southern truck in literally flawless condition. And it's a Denali, which gives you all of the bells and whistles, plus it's a custom truck with some tasteful upgrades that make it really stand out. Let's check it out. So first, let's look at the factory features. This GMC is powered by the classic 6.6 LML DURAMAX Diesel engine matched with the Allison transmission. It has the full chrome package, including grille, bumper inserts, mirror, handle, and door trim, front and rear parking sensors, along with the HD backup camera, and it's in the beautiful stone blue metallic paint. On the inside, the Denali edition really shines with heated and cooled leather bucket seats, power folding mirrors, Bose premium sound, and much more. With the custom upgrades, this truck has a 6-inch Pro-Comp suspension lift kit to fit these perfect 22-inch American Force EVO wheels in polished aluminum, which are wrapped in brand new 35-inch Nitto Tear Grappler tires. And with the added height of this lift, the truck comes equipped with AMP Research power running boards for ease of entry into this beast. Come down to Country Diesels today to see this truck for yourself, and be sure to follow Country Diesels on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates of our inventory right in your newsfeed. We have over 60 pre-owned diesel trucks here at our Warrenton store, so be sure to check out our website at countrydiesels.com for more info on our current inventory, and thanks for watching.